back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elizabeth. Today's video, come with me to travel to France and the cities of Paris, Nice, and a bunch of others. So thank you again for coming along on this journey with me. I hope that you enjoy it. This is actually part 2 of my France travel vlog. So if you haven't gotten a chance to watch part 1, I'll link it somewhere in the video for you so you can reference it and check that part out. The first part of my blog was actually focused more on Paris. Second part, which is this video, part 2 of my blog, is going to be a little bit more on the south of France. So we actually got the chance to go to Nice, Monte Carlo, all those areas down there. While in France, we did get to go to the Galeries Lafayette, which is this amazing shopping mall that has everything you can think of there. All those brands that are high-end, and the perfumes here, these smell so good. This is one of my favorite brands that I found out about while there. We have Chanel, we have you name it. But the interesting part about this is obviously the decorative and the structure of the building. And this right here is on top of the building. They have a observatory at the top where you can kind of see all around the city from the Galeries Lafayette. And of course, we couldn't leave Paris without going to another cute little dainty restaurant where all the main restaurants do have outside seating, and this one was just decorated so cute. It was named La Diva de Pré. Drinks were fantastic and had a waiter that was super funny, so we enjoyed our time here at this restaurant. We took a short flight to Nice, which was about an hour and a half, and then we made it to Le Méridien Hotel here in Nice. And look at those views, you guys. It is amazing. That water looks so blue, and they actually have rocks and they don't have sand. So that was a little bit hard to get used to, but every hotel that we end up going, they left us a little, either a rosé or a champagne with some chocolate. So this hotel did the same thing. So that was very nice as a little welcome gift. And then this hotel did have a rooftop little bar area, which was decorated really cute as well. And the view from the rooftop was amazing because it did look out to the ocean. We had a couple of days where we actually had lunch and drinks up here just because it was so beautiful. And of course had to make use of the pool one of the other days as well, just because it had a pool. But this is a view from the rooftop there, the rooftop bar. We definitely did some major exploring the first day we got to Nice. We wanted to see the water a little bit more up close, and here you can see how clear it is and how beautiful it looks. We took a stroll around the promenade, which is just off the main street where we were staying at the hotel, and we walked all the way down. I think we walked maybe about 2.5 miles just to kind of get a feel and location of the area. And it was definitely breathtaking. The second day that we were there, we decided to go up the little city of Ez, which is known for the perfumeries. This is actually a factory where they create a lot of the perfumes. You know, fun to see and to know how they create these perfumes. The little village of Ez is actually quite small, but we actually wanted to go and check out the gardens, which everybody told us about and raved about it. So that's where we're going next. There's not a lot of people over here for now. Le Chateau d'Or. After floor, the Chateau d'Or. Oh, that's a cool little. There's like a. Get lost up in here. Smells like bread. Less people this way. Oh, look at all this, babe. Okay, that little hike made me hot.
Yeah.
We made it just in time.
Oh wow, babe, look at all that over there. Wow, that's beautiful. Cyprus. We're in Monte Carlo right now, and we're coming to see the casino. It's so gorgeous. You can tell that this is very high money area for sure. There's so many people here. It's so beautiful. Wow, look at this. And as we all know, Monte Carlo is very popular and famous for the Grand Prix. Got to see the streets and how they barricades, so obviously the cars don't run into buildings or anything. But the best way to get around Monte Carlo, it's such a small little area, but it's best to do the hop on hop off bus, which we're on top of right now, and you can just get off at 11 stops and get to see the entire little area and the entire city. Probably about an hour and a half, I believe.
Start finish line.
There is no transportation running as far as Ubers from Monte Carlo to Nice. So we had to take the train back to Nice and then walk about 19 minutes to get back to our hotel room. But we had to stop in this little shop. It's like a bakery, chocolate, ice cream type of place. And we had to get some chocolate churros on the way back to the hotel. Thank you again so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.